Hello, today we'll go through how to create a building model. First step is to go to your building, and we're going to choose Main Office, then go into Positioning, Models, and in Edit mode. Next step is to click on the three dots and then Add New Model. Here you can name it, and then click on Create. You then click on your model to see it on the map, and click on the checkbox and new Bluetooth placed. Here you have created your own Bluetooth unit, and if you click on it, you can find information about it and you can name it. You can also duplicate it by clicking on the three dots in the top right corner. When you feel you have enough Bluetooth units, click on Save, and you have created your first building model.